Hey guys, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. Today in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to send message to recruiters on LinkedIn. So for this, you have to go first on your LinkedIn account and search here as here talent acquisition specialist. Then you can search for it, then go for it and go to profile peoples. Then you can select your location. Okay, I'll type here Bangladesh. Okay, so this is it. Then choose the recruiter to whom you wanna send message. If I select this one, this recruiter, after that you can see this message option here. Then you can click on it and you can send message from here. So guys, this is how you can send message to recruiter on LinkedIn. Hope this video helped you guys. If it did, then please like, comment and share, subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.